I spent the last week testing 3 AI tools that everyone claims can make you money. I tracked every dollar, every hour, and every result. What I discovered will either excite you or save you from wasting your time. By the end of this video, you'll know which AI tool generated the most income, which was the biggest waste of time, and the exact strategy that worked best. Plus, I'll show you the one mistake that cost me $200 in potential earnings. Here's what I tested: Notion AI for creating digital templates, Claude AI for freelance writing, and Canva AI for social media content. Each tool got exactly 7 days and the same time investment. The results? Surprising. Tool number 1, Notion AI templates. Day 1, I researched what small business owners struggle with most. The winner, client onboarding systems. I spent 3 hours creating the complete client onboarding toolkit, 12 Notion templates covering contracts, project timelines, and communication workflows. I listed it on Gumroad for $15 and promoted it in 5 Facebook groups for entrepreneurs. Day 3, first sale. By day 7, I'd sold 11 copies. Revenue, $165. Time invested, 8 hours total. Hourly rate, $20.62. But here's the key insight. The templates that solve specific problems sold immediately. Generic productivity templates, 0 sales. Lesson: solve real pain points, not imaginary ones. Tool number 2, Claude AI for freelance writing. I signed up for Upwork and targeted small businesses needing email marketing copy. My positioning: AI-enhanced copywriter delivering results 3x faster than traditional writers. Day 1, I applied to 8 jobs. Day 2, landed my first client, a fitness studio needing welcome email sequences. Using Claude, I completed what normally takes 6 hours in 90 minutes. Client result, 40% higher open rates. My earnings, $150 for the project. By day 7, I'd completed 3 projects totaling $380. Time invested, 12 hours, hourly rate, $31.67. The real winner here wasn't the money, it was the client results that led to referrals. Tool number 3, Canva AI for social media content. I offered social media packages to local businesses. My strategy: create 20 posts, 10 stories, and 5 reels for $200 monthly. Day 1, I approached 15 local businesses. Day 3, landed my first client, a local bakery. Using Canva AI, I created a month's worth of content in 4 hours instead of the usual 12. Week 1 results: 1 client signed at $200, 1 more in negotiations. Revenue, $200. Time invested, 10 hours. Hourly rate, $20. Now here's the mistake that cost me $200. With the bakery client, I underpriced myself to get the deal. Industry standard for this work is $400 to $600 monthly. Fear of rejection made me slash prices unnecessarily. Total week results: Notion templates $165, Claude writing $380, Canva content $200. Grand total $745 in 7 days. But more importantly, I now have systems that can scale. The real winner? Claude AI for writing. Highest hourly rate, happiest clients, most scalable. Notion templates came second. Good passive income once created. Canva services ranked 3rd, limited by local market size. Your action plan: start with Claude AI if you have any writing skills. Focus on email marketing, blog posts, or social media copy. Charge premium rates by emphasizing speed and results, not just AI assistance. For Notion templates, research Facebook groups where your target customers complain about problems. Create solutions for those exact problems, not general productivity tools. For Canva services, target service businesses with poor social media presence. Show them before and after examples to demonstrate value immediately. The biggest lesson from this experiment: AI tools don't make money. Solving problems makes money. AI just makes you faster at delivering solutions. Comment below which tool you're most excited to try, and I'll share my exact client scripts and templates to help you get started faster. Subscribe for more real AI income experiments, and I'll see you next week where I'm testing AI tools that claim to generate passive income.